G'day and welcome to the Spider in a Basket bracelets, the end with Jenny Brandis. This covers the cloth stitch and end of the bracelet. This pair becomes my cloth stitch worker pair, so cloth stitch through the two pairs to the right and lay aside. Now we bring the passive pairs into line by working whole stitch and pin. Working the first row of cloth stitch as we go to start the anchoring of the passives. The next two pairs, whole stitch and pin, then cloth stitch. Note that I am not closing the pin. Continue to the next pin. This is the old foot side and we are going to cloth stitch through all of them. Put up the pin and tension. Work the cloth stitch to the last pin on the right. We are almost finished, just need to tie off all the threads. You can start at either end, but I prefer to start in the middle. I have looked up in here to find the pair from that side from the pin before, and that is a pair from this side. So put in the pin between those two pairs. Tie the left thread from each pair together, then tie the right threads. You can, if you wish, tie them side by side or overlapping as I have done. Lengthen the threads and lay the pairs up and out of the way while we work the rest in the same manner. The edge will have 3 pairs, so put the pin in between the 3rd and 4th thread. Select threads 3 and 4, tie off. 1 and 5, tie off. 2 and 6, tie off. Go back to where you started tying off and work the right side. Bring all the pairs down, push down the pins to anchor the lace while you cut close to the knots. After removing the lace from the pillow, you may like to add a drop of Fray Stop, I believe it's called, or PVA glue, which we call Aquid here in Australia, to further hold the knots. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to see more videos.